Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is poultry farming. Now students, let us first talk about poultry farming. What exactly is poultry farming? It is nothing but the raising of domestic birds like geese, turkeys, ducks and chickens, which are used to obtain various products like eggs and meat. Moving on students, in India, Andhra Pradesh is the state which produces the highest number of eggs. And whereas worldwide, India ranks third in egg production. Now students, let us see maintenance of poultry farm. A poultry farm needs to be dry, a very well ventilated area, it should be clean, and a well lit place. All these things directly affect the poultry birds and therefore they directly affect the yield. Next students, the floor should be slanting. This basically helps in easy cleaning of the entire area. Next, it should be protected, that is, the birds need to be protected from rodents, reptiles and other wild animals which can attack and kill the poultry birds. And finally students, there should be a very well maintained and a very effective drainage system. Also, the food should be highly nutritious. The feed given to the poultry will directly reflect in the production and the yield of eggs as well as the quality of meat. Therefore, one should not use a very low quality of feed. The feed should be of the highest quality.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.